Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Volvo S60 key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals the next step for accessing the battery compartment. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. Now that the emergency key is out, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key blade was previously housed. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to carefully pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a small click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic housing. Once open, you can proceed to the battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the fresh CR2032 battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is crucial for proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your Volvo S60, to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Also, for amazing comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.